Hey guys, this is Nikki of Bubble Babes University and also of Bubble Babes. Today we are decorating my tree. The tree is themed Nightmare Before Christmas this year, so I will be showing you a lot of DIYs to the things that I added onto the tree. Today we are doing ribbon loops, and I'm using deco mesh from Michaels, the deco mesh from Dollar Tree, and also ribbon from Michaels. You know what to do. If you like the video, please thumbs it up, leave a comment. And if you're not subscribed, subscribe. What I'm doing right now is I'm taking equal parts, the same length of both deco mesh and the ribbon. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold that behind each other. I'm just going to take a little bit. I don't want to fold it evenly. I just want to take the end and fold it just to have a tail. And I'm going to create a loop. And I'm gonna curl the deco mesh, and I'm going to make, I don't even know what to call these peaks, like duck beak peak, duck beak peaks, with the edges of the ribbon. So I'm just gonna fold the ribbon and cut it into a V. So you want to play with the fullness. So you want to just look at it and see what you have. If it's not as full as you want it to be, you can pull out the top a little more so that you can get it fuller. You want it to take up space in the tree. For this part, you can create your own picks, or you can use picks that are already made. Sometimes I take different pieces from the picks and create my own. But for this particular one that I did, I'm just going to use the frosted berries. And I'm going to tie the cluster of ornaments around it using a pipe cleaner. And if it's not long enough, I like to cut my pipe cleaners in half. But if you need to, for something like this, you could use the full pipe cleaner, and that way it'll wrap around your deco mesh, your ribbon, your pick, your clusters, and it will also tie around the tree. After positioning everything the way you want it, you're going to secure it with the cluster and the pipe cleaner. I like to use a variety of textures and sizes when I create my ornament balls. This one didn't stay on, but you just have to pop that back in. I like to use different size balls, and I also like to use different textures. So I like to combine my textures with like the glitters, the shiny, the matte. And all I'm going to do is take the pipe cleaner and twist it around to secure it and make it nice and tight. And so you can repeat the same method to create as many as you need for your tree. They don't have to be the same. You can mix and match any color combinations that go with the theme of your tree, just so you can have some variety. You don't have to do them all the same. You can add different picks, different ornaments, different ribbons, different color deco mesh. You can do whatever you want. Right here, I'm just cutting my ribbon so that I could have the duck beaks. I really think that's what you call it, but I am not sure. But if you like videos like this and you want to see how the rest of the tree turns out, make sure you stay tuned. I will be posting videos every day. If not a whole tutorial, it'll definitely be shorts, and I will post them up again every single day. And so you can see what the outcome of my tree is going to look like. I'm so excited. You're going to see a sneak peek in this video as well. If you like this video and you would like to see more videos like this, please leave me a comment below. Please leave me a comment below anyway and let me know what you think about the tree. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. And I am going to stop running my mouth. Oh, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make the ornaments that I use too. I did glitter ornaments and I made them in the characters. So stay tuned for those videos as well. I got a bunch of videos coming up. All right. So with that being said, you guys enjoy the rest of the video. Don't forget, join me at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Join me live here on YouTube for Coffee with Nikki, your daily cup of information and inspiration. Thank you so much for watching this video this far. And don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, leave me comments and all that good stuff. And happy holidays to you guys if I don't catch you before then. Oh, look at the tree. Isn't it pretty? It's not finished, but it will be. I said I was going to stop talking and I didn't. And I'm still running my mouth. I'm going to show you how to do those ornaments as well. And those styrofoam, those are styrofoam inserts that are stuck inside the tree. I will be showing you how to do those as well. And look at the topper. What do you think?